Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a golden crunch, irresistible, juicy fried chicken. Here, I have some leg meat, and I'm going to take you through the process. So before I do anything else with the chicken, I'm going to make a bit of brine for the chicken. So that's water, salt, bit of garlic, add a bit of ginger, and we're going to give it a bit of stir. What this do is tenderize the chicken. I'm using half spoon of white still vinegar in this. We're going to put our chicken in. And we're going to leave this in the water until about an hour or two. So here I have my flour. I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric in this. 1 spoon ginger powder. Teaspoon cayenne pepper. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon paprika. Be adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Grab yourself a whisk and we're going to combine all of this together. For the wet, teaspoon of ketchup, bit of mustard, about a teaspoon also. I'll be using 1 teaspoon garlic powder in this. I'll be adding 2 eggs to that. 1 teaspoon salt. Whenever doing your fried chicken, every layers and every season counts. So everything you do, season it. Very important. I'll be using about 250 ml milk in this. If you have buttermilk, double cream, just use what you have. Grab yourself a whisk. So all of these ingredients will help your chicken to be tenderized. Give him a good whisk. So now I'm going to use part of this flour in the wet mix. I'll be adding some of the flour to the wet mix to make our batter. So now I've strained the water off the chicken, and I'm gonna, if you notice, they look different. The texture, all different. That's mean it's tenderizing. I'm gonna go over with some season. There's some season that I made up. They're all purpose. I'm gonna make sure we season them properly. As I said before, with fried chicken, make sure you season. Every step you take, season. But you're gonna lose some of the season anyway. So your wet mixture, you're going to pour this all over your chicken. And for best result, just leave this for an hour or two until you start frying. So now our chicken is finished soak, and now it's time to bread our chicken. Ensure you coat it on properly. Give him a little bit of dust. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a finished product. That's the last piece coming out of the pot. I'm not going to bite into it because they're very hot. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, or if you enjoy this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. Look at this. As I said, they're hot, so I'm not going to bite into it. Look at that.